Okay, welcome back to Me and Your Garage. Today we are going to be doing a C-pillar delete. Right here, we are going to use a kit by Sportline. Sportline offers this kit in 3 different colors: a glossy black to match the trim, a matte black, and a yellow. They offer 2 DIY kits, one that is a beginner's kit, it comes with 2 sets, and a pro kit that comes with just 1 set. They start at about $100, so make sure you get their information from Sportline. Their details will be in the information box down below. We have done the chrome delete and the plasti dipping of our emblems. You can see the videos up here or there. We chose the glossy black as it will really tie together and look uniform with the glossy trim and the windows. It will look really great with the full top half of the car being black. C-pillar delete 3M wrap film. Comes with alcohol swab and a squeegee. So the first step is to make sure you have a clean surface, and we did that by washing the car. Now we are going to use Adams Polish Detailer Spray, running low here. Adams, sponsor us please. Then we will finish it off with the alcohol prep pads that they provided and get started. So anything can even come out of here. Spray, spray, spray. Detail spray. So here it is. We got the pro kit because we pros. We got 1 set here. Don't mess up. And we're going to do the large portion where the logo goes first. This is your everyday average mom trying to do this. So it looks straight-ish. Like just. It's very malleable, but I'm just trying to do it like pull as little as possible so I don't have to do as much air bubble squeegeeing. It's probably better just to squeegee it. Push the air out to the sides. Go slow and steady. Start from the inside and work your way out. And then if you have any that you can't get out, heat should help you. Easy does it, pushing from the pillar down into the window jamb here. Let's go ahead and the most important part is to line it up with the bottom edge. How does that look? It looks straight. Tucking it into the top trim here. Once you have it kind of lined up where you want it, adjust the vinyl to the, in this case, the left, towards the edge of the door, rather than having too much overlap left over on the window jamb side. Just makes it a little bit easier. So the nice thing about these vinyl wraps are that they're removable. If you get tired of it, you can just remove it and go back to your paint, LA Silver, or you can go to matte black or yellow. Whatever fits your fancy. Okay, so there you have it. That was our C-pillar delete. It was a super easy job. If you've done vinyl wraps before, it should look even better with the tinted windows, and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.